Hello, welcome everyone to the third mini lesson. Today I am going to discuss about circle, and this is for year 8. Hello, how are you, year 8? Okay, let's see what do you know about circle. Okay, so we are going to learn circumference and area of circles. Before starting the lesson, I would like to ask everyone to think about what is circle. We see the circle multiple times, but you need to know how it is related in our everyday life. So you see that's a nice graphics of circle. So let's see if you have any idea. Okay. Oh, Mark, yes. What is circle? Oh, that's right. Okay. So you think that circle is related to pi. That's we did discuss last time. Wow. That's absolutely right. Okay. In the middle of the lesson, I will be describing in detail about this. Let's see. Okay. So this is the parts of circle. Radius, straight line from the middle of the outside of the circle. And you see that's the red color is the radius. So if we see something that's like circle, the outside line, which we will say circumference. Okay. So what will be the diameter? You already know, just revising our memory. That's a diameter is the whole length. So if we twice the radius, we have got diameter. Okay. So its diameter is basically a line cut circle in a half from end to end. So if you cut something along to the diameter, you will get two half circle. Okay, as I did tell you about the circumference, so the circumference is basically like perimeter. You know the perimeter of the rectangular things. So if we count the perimeter of the circular things, then we have got circumference. So what we have got in total of the circle? So this is the circumference, while the whole length is diameter and the half of the diameter is radius. Okay, it's good. Good. Who knows this? Is it circle? It could be. So I love pi. Anyone love it? Okay. So if you take the full length using a rope or a string or whatever, you can measure the circle, right? So you can measure the circumference and you can measure the diameter. Anyone can tell me how you can measure the radius of this beautiful cake? So yes, yeah. So you need to cut off half. Wow, that's right. So you can cut it and divide by half. You will get radius. Fantastic. Okay. Now I would like to give you some task. It's a very easy task. I would like to give you little string that's I will give you, and I will give you this page, the printout of this page that's yours looking on the screen. So you need to measure the diameter of different color circle. So there is the red color to the blue color. So you need to measure the diameter of A, B, C, D, and until J. Okay. So this action should be taken 5 minutes of your time, and then we will be coming with some answer. All right. Okay. Go ahead. And I'm here to help you. Yes. Samad, you are getting better. Wow. That's good. That's good. Lydia, you need some help. Oh, okay. So you see, let's put the string around the blue color and you can measure the circumference. Okay. And put 1.2, sorry, put, okay. If I go to the previous slide. Okay. So put 1.2 here and go there. You will get the diameter. Okay. It's getting better. Okay. Everyone done? Great, great achievement. Let's see. So now I'm going to reintroduce, that's we already know pi, right? Now we need to know how pi is related with the circle. So you see, pi is a special number. So it is the ratio between the circumference and the diameter. So if you divide the circumference with your diameter, you will get a special number and you will see it's always in between 3 and 4. Okay, it's 3 point something, right? 3.1416, something like this. That's very special number. That's we did tell pi. Okay, so pi goes forever, 3.1416171819, blah blah blah. But we approximately using for today's calculation until the 2-digit. So we can assume pi equal to 3.14. All right. Okay. So you see that's a pi, right? So it's 3.14. It's a pi cake. That's a funny number. You like this? Great. Okay. Now finding the circumference. Circumference C will be pi times diameter. Okay. Now you need to measure what is the circumference of this circle. It should be 1 minute job. Okay. Everyone has the calculator, or you can borrow from me. All right. So how you will do this? C will be pi, and you know the value of pi, right? What is the value of pi? 3.14. Yeah, that should be enough. 3.14, and the diameter already given 6 inches. So we can get the circumference in terms of inch. Okay, great. So the circumference will be 18.84 inches. So everyone has got the same results? Great. Okay, now this is your task to measure the circumference for this circle. Do it. So it should be C equal to pi times diameter. Now what will be 12 inches? It should be again the same rule. What with the 1 inch? It should be 3.14. Wow, that's right. Because I intentionally put 1 inch so that you can understand that when it's 1 inch, it's basically pi. Okay. So if we have given the problem instead of diameter, just given the problem in terms of radius, then how we can calculate the circumference? So the circumference C equal to pi d, we know diameter equal to 2 times radius. So it should be 4 times 2. So C will be 8 pi. Easy job. If it's 2, then it should be 4 pi. If 3, it should be 6 pi. Great. Okay. So how would you find the diameter if you only had the circumference? So I am repeating the calculation. So it's sort of challenge for you to do this, and it will be interesting. It's quite easy. When given a circumference, to find diameter, just divide by pi, because we know C equal to pi d. So diameter will be C divided by pi. Okay, so given a circumference 21.98 centimeter, now your action to measure the diameter. So we know 3.14. We can easily measure the diameter, then divide by 2, you will get radius. Do the same thing for this circumference. Okay. Have you done this? Wow, great. For this, okay, this could be the home task. I am not insisting you to do this here, but I'm pretty sure you can do this at your home. Okay, so what if you are given the diameter? You already learned how to calculate the circumference. Now, how can you find the radius if you only have the diameter? You know, divide by 2. Great, great, Leah. I appreciate it for the instant result. It's really great. Now, the radius is half of the diameter, and the diameter equal to 8, then the radius will be 4. Easy. Now, try 4. What will be the diameter? 14? This is the diameter. So, how will be the radius? This will be 7 inch. Great. 2 inch, 1 inch. Okay. Now, I would like to close up this. Someone need to tell me what is the diameter. Okay. Yeah, Mary, what do you think? What is the diameter? Okay. So diameter is double of the radius. Yes, that's true. So what is the radius? How about the diameter? Okay. Circumference. So you think it's perimeter? Yes, it's perimeter for the circle. Now, what is the relationship between the radius and the diameter? You need to remember that we already did. It's related by twice. We can say that the radius is always half of the diameter, and the diameter is always twice the radius. Now, today's understanding, we can implement what we did learn from today. Someone can able to tell me how, what's really we did learn. So there is a bicycle, has a diameter of 60 centimeter, and how far would it move if it is rolled through your revolutions? So one revolution, we say complete turn. So one revolution means one circumference. 4 revolution means 4 circumference. Now it's your turn to solve the problem. Read the problem very carefully and solve the problem. Suppose you are running the bicycle. Okay. Again, we are going to measure how long the bicycle will move for the 4 turns. So I can simplify these questions. Okay, okay, yes, yes, it could be simplified. If you suppose this way, so it's 4 turns, right? 4 turns means 1 turn, if it is 1 circumference, 4 turns means it should be 4 circumference. So you need to find out literally 4c. Okay, now we know 1 circumference or circumference c equal to pi times d. That means it should be 60 centimeter. Now there is another challenge. The answer should be meter. So, okay, you can make it centimeter, then we can convert the unit. So it's pi 3.14 times 60. Okay, you will get 189 point something like this, right? Then that's centimeter for 1 turn. Now you need to get the product of 4 turns, which will be, I don't know, I can calculate this for you. So 160 times 3.1416 times 4. So the answer will be 753.98 centimeter. And you know the conversion, right? So 100 centimeter equal to 1 meter, right? Okay. So if it divided by 100, then the answer will be 7.54 meter. Okay. Who got this answer? Put your hand. Okay, that's good. So almost everyone got the answer. Okay. So what happened, Mary? Why you didn't get the answer? It's not correct. Oh, you did a simple mistake just with the decimal. It's fine. It's fine. If you write down 7.54 instead of 7.53, literally it should be okay because it's almost similar, but when we need to give the examination on computer, we need to make sure we use the exact same thing, because you know you need to set your NAPLAN test next year where you need to put the exact digit on numeracy. So it's 7.53 should be exactly same. Okay, all good. Okay, before finishing the lesson, I would like to ask, what did you learn from today's lesson? Yes, what did you learn? Yeah, you need to tell me that's what did we learn about the circumference and area. So, are you confident that you can measure the circumference, or you can find the circle diameter and radius easily? Okay, so if I give you anything like a bottle of water or a Coke bottle, so you can measure the circumference, right? By using this string. Easy. Okay, so the next lesson we will cover the area of the circle. As we already know the diameter, radius and circumference, I hope we will easily learn how to calculate the area, how to measure the area of the circle. Okay, and through this we could estimate the area of Adelaide Oval. You know Adelaide Oval. Who did go to the Adelaide Oval? Okay, put your hand. Okay, that's good. So our action in our next lesson to calculate the area of the Adelaide Oval, right? Okay. Thank you. Thank you very much. Before finishing the lesson, I would like to spend 1 minute for you to ask any questions. Any questions? Great. Okay. So I think that you did understand almost everything. It's a pretty easy lesson, but keep in mind our action to measure the area of the Adelaide Oval using the area of the circle. Thank you. Thank you, everyone. Bye. Where is the meeting?